Welcome to my channel. Today, let's watch an alabaster factory in Luxor.
Thank you. Please, excuse me, please. How make these things and the difference between real and fakes? Okay? You're welcome. You're from India.
India.
Welcome to Egypt.
Namaste.
India, same color. We are family. Yeah, of course. With here, what we show you? Alabaster. You heard about alabaster?
Yes.
You have any idea about it? No. You can tell the difference? Yeah, we have limestone, but there's not lime. Sorry, yeah, we have a limestone here. Here. This is the limestone. A real limestone, yes. Please, first we show you alabaster. This is very important to know, to have an idea. Alabaster, if you've seen, has three different colors. Three different. That one real and natural marbles, not fakes. Because in the street, in the market, you can see fake. What fake? Gips, plaster. You know plaster? Soapstone, and the people paint it, and he sells you as alabaster. But here I will show you how you can tell between real and fake. Okay? Alabaster, they look like quartz, white. They look like crystal, like quartz. Yes. Hold it. See. Sorry. The second one, brown. It look like amber. You know amber? They look like amber, but it's not amber. It's a real brown alabaster. The third color, green. They look like granite, but it's not granite. It's green alabaster. You get me? Sorry. How you can know? How you can tell if real or fake? How?
هم ولاد محمد النعسان اللي تحت شافوا المقلق سيقوا المصنع هم كل سيد رمضان
Alabaster is a soft, fine-grained stone that has been used in Egypt since ancient times for carving beautiful, decorative and functional objects. It is usually milky white or translucent, but can also have warm shades of cream, honey, or light brown. Because it is relatively soft compared to other stones, it is easy to carve, making it ideal for artisans. Ancient Egyptians used alabaster to create jars, statues, and temple items, many of which can still be seen today in places like Qurna temple. The alabaster factories in Luxor are often family-run workshops where skilled craftsmen demonstrate the traditional process of shaping stone by hand. A wide variety of items are produced in these workshops. Common products include vases, bowls, lamps, statues of Egyptian gods, pharaohs, and decorative plates. One special feature of alabaster is that when it is carved thinly, light can pass through it. This is why alabaster lamps glow beautifully when lit. An employee of this factory is demonstrating it to us. I hope you have an idea about alabaster. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.